Senator we county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna nigarusiwa sekerogo boigo bokoreri bwaye ase bunge ya Senate BW'OMO bomo minority whip ase boromo Senator we county ya Migori Eddy Oketch aikaransire ase ekirogekyo Sifuna ase nkwane ayime bunge ya Senate nigo aorokirie okogokiwa kwae ase ogochoro kwa Eddy Oketch na kumuganiria maya korende nabwate engana guchia ase baria bako nabwate engana guchia ase baria bakumuremera engoro buna ekobwatia.
Speaker, it is statements such as the ones that have been requested by Senator Hezena that put me in problems. Because you can imagine that ever since I was born, growing up, we were hearing about disarmament in Baringo and specifically Tiati constituency. And up to today, it is ongoing. I remember when the current deputy president was the internal security minister, he told us that this menace of bandits in Baringo was over. But up to today, you can see that the people of Baringo still have to suffer under this scourge. Listen to the concerns that the senator is raising, Honorable Speaker. Harassment, intimidation, misconduct of the police officers and the army personnel who are involved in this particular disarmament. Why is this happening, Honorable Speaker? When we speak about it, they come for the things that my late father left for me, Honorable Speaker. This is the reason Sifuna is in trouble, in case anybody is wondering. Because the country has a software problem, and we will continue pointing it out. Speaker, the beauty with life is that for as long as you are alive, whatever it is that is taken can be gotten back. So we will continue to speak truth to power. Speaker, the misconduct in the police forces is not just limited in to these disarmament processes. You saw us in Keumbu, Honorable Speaker. The police are so shameless. I would rather you even send police in plain clothes to throw stones. But these days they come in uniform. There's no shame at all, Honorable Speaker. No shame. They come in full uniform, they ride along with the goons, they throw stones themselves. And then you say you have a country because you have built a stadium and named it after Raila. We will say, no, Bwana, this is not the country we want to live in. We have to rescue our country. We have a software problem in this country. We cannot continue to live like this. When are those children in Tiati ever going to see a bright future, Honorable Speaker? If I have grown up all these years hearing about disarmament in Tiati constituency, and up to today it continues to happen. So I don't know what else these people can take. I think there's a Bible verse, Honorable Speaker. It is Jesus who said, when somebody takes your coat, give them even the shirt. Give them even the shirt. I want them to come for my shirt. I am prepared, Honorable Speaker. I take this opportunity to very humbly thank the leadership and the members of the minority side for the cooperation that they've given me. Even the majority side, for the cooperation that they've shown me in the time that I have been deputy whip. I congratulate my young brother, the Honorable Senator from Migori, for his new role. You remember, Senator Eddy, how many times I have called you as your whip so that you give us quorum. I am happy that that is now going to be your job, to look for quorum in this house so that we can transact business. I thank you, Honorable Speaker.